Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Working on the 57 today. Still working away at this trunk patch panel that I'm putting in here, but trying to clean this up. I've been using I have a Carbide burr here, as you can see, and I have that in my drill, and I use that to try to get the spot welds out. It makes it a little bit easier, but there's a lot of these spot welds in here. So I use that, and I'll go to a little bit of a pair of pliers. I have some pry bars here. And so, in pliers like this, grabbing and bending, taking it away. I'm sure this is nothing some of you guys have done a million times before. So, but it's all work that needs to be done. You have to get this out before you can put your new panels in. So, but I look forward to getting this new panel in here. I'm gonna make a world of difference in this trunk. Get some new panels in here. I still got a few more patch panels to make for it, but it is definitely progressing. So, but hope you guys are doing well today. Thanks for spending some time in the garage with me here. As you move along, it comes out. It just takes a little bit of time. So, you guys working on Tri-5s? You working on hot rods? What are you working on today? Or are you just watching videos, killing some time? Seems like we have a million things to do, and these days, and we're just always busy. So, anyways, take it easy. Just wanted to share with you a bit. This is what I'm up to.